UPS originated with two bicycles and a modest office, illustrating the humble beginnings of a company that would expand remarkably over the years. The company cultivated a reputation for reliability by training employees to follow strict conduct codes, thereby ensuring exceptional customer service. As automobiles and telephones became increasingly common, UPS pivoted its focus to package delivery, skillfully adapting to the evolving demands of its customers. This strategic merger prompted a rebranding initiative, highlighting the transition from message delivery to package services, which was vital for the company's growth. In 1916, Charles Soderstrom introduced a practical design choice by painting vehicles dark brown, effectively camouflaging dirt and projecting a professional image. By 1919, the company ventured beyond Seattle, initiating services in Oakland, California, marking a significant step towards becoming a national delivery service. The term brown betties emerged during the 1950s, referring to delivery positions left unfilled as men served overseas, offering insight into the historical context of the era. UPS's ambition to secure common carrier rights in the 1950s led to intense rivalry with the U.S. Postal Service, resulting in prolonged legal battles that spanned approximately 3 decades. By 1975, UPS stood out as the first package delivery company to reach every address in the continental United States, marking a monumental achievement in its history.